So hello guys, this is Bharat and welcome to my new video of class 10 CBSE board exam. And everybody like, share and subscribe to this video for more updates, and please press the bell icon for more updates from this channel and learning with Sid. So let us move on for this chapter, pair of linear equation in two variables. Let us understand this chapter in exercise 3.2. Let us understand in this chapter in exercise 3.2. I have been teaching here only a theoretical part, not a graphical part. Please be assuring that. Okay, it's a big question, so let us understand easily. On comparing the ratios of A1, A2, A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2, find out whether these lines representing the following pairs of linear equation intersect at a point parallel or coincident. They are given this much in this question. We have to analyze which type of lines are these as representing. Do you understand this? Do you understand this one? So let us answer this in the easiest way. Please be thinking that solution will be like this. So this is A1. 5 is A1 and 7 is A2. Okay. A1 by A2 is equal to 5x by 7x. 5x by 7x. A1 by A2 is 5x by 7x. Comma. B1 by B2. B1 by B2 is minus 4 by 6. Minus 4x by 6. So C1 by C2 is 8 by minus 9. 8 by. So x से cancel हो जाएगा. So it will remains as 5 by 7. So here we can write A1 by A2 is equal to 5 by 7. B1 by B2 x cancel हो जाएगा. 2 2s are 2 3s. So B1 by B2 is equal to minus 2 by minus 2. Let us rub this part. This is not important. Let's rub this part. C1 by C2. इधर C1 by C2 is 8 by 9. Minus 8 by 9. क्योंकि इधर माइनस है, इधर भी माइनस होगा. You understand? Minus 8 by 9. So this has been representing that A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Let us write here. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. And A1 by A2 is not equal to C1 by C2. It doesn't count that. Because you know the table, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2 means it is a intersecting lines. So the answer will be intersecting lines because A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. It doesn't want C1 by C2 because in the table we have only A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Please be assuring that this will be the answer. Not an important question, but still we have to understand this question. Please be once. So let us move on for the second sub question of this question. So this will be the continuation of the first question and this will be the second sub question. Let us answer this. So the question will be like this: 9x plus 3y plus 20 is equal to 0 and 18x plus 6y plus 24 is equal to 0. Let us move fast because these are the easiest questions of this chapter. So A1 by A2 is equal to 9x by 18x, B1 by B2 is equal to 3y by 6y. C1 by C2 is equal to 12 by 24. Let us cancel this. X is cancel, y by cancel. 9 1s are 9 2s are 3 1s are 3 2s are 12 1s are 12 2s are. So all are equal here. 1 by 2, all are equal here. That is 1 by 2. So by here we can conclude that A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. If these three are equal, then we can conclude that therefore they are coincident. This will be the answer. Okay. They are coincident lines. Okay. Because they are all equal. So please be assuring that this will be the answer. Please look at this. So let us move on for the third sub question. So this will be the third sub question of this main second question. So let us answer this also. The question will be like this: 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0, 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. So the solution will be like this. Okay, here A1 by A2 is equal to 6x by 2x and B1 by B2 is equal to 10 by 9 and C1 by C2 is equal to 10. Sorry, here put your again. 10 by 9 not, this is minus 3y by minus 1. We can directly cut out. It will be 3y by y or y से y cancel हो जाएगा. It will be 3. Okay. Have we directly done that thing? Okay, it will be 10 by 9, 10 by 9, 10 by 9. Okay, 10 by 9, 10 by 9. Okay. So x cancel हो जाएगा, 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 1s are 2 3s are, here also 3, here also 10 by 9. Here we can compute that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, and it's not equal to c1 by c1 by c. This is the equation for parallel lines. Do you get in that one? Get. So therefore, you should remember the table every time. So the lines are parallel. So this will be the answer of the third sub question. Please be assuring that this will be the answer of the third sub question. Please look at once. So let us move on for the third question and in the first manner. So this will be the third question of the exercise 3.2. So the question will be like this: on comparing the ratios a1 by a2, c1 by c2, find out whether the following pair of linear equation are consistent or inconsistent. Either कुछ बदल हो गए, it is their intersecting, parallel or coincident. Here it is consistent or inconsistent. It's very simple. Parallel lines are not consistent because they lie in not here. They cannot form any point on the line. But coincident line can form points. And intersecting line can form points. But doesn't the parallel lines in the case of parallel lines. So you should be getting in this mind to answer this answer. Okay. So this will be the solution of the first sub question. Let us answer it easily. So either a1 by a2 is equal to 3x by 2x, comma b1 by b2 is equal to 2y by minus 3y, c1 by c2 is equal to 5 by 7. Here minus 5 will be transferred this side, minus 7 will be transferred this, it will become minus. So minus and minus cancel हो जाएगा, it will be 5 by 7. I have been doing directly. Okay, x से x cancel हो जाएगा, 3 by 2, y by 2 by 3. So here we can conclude that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. We doesn't want c1 by c2. We doesn't equal here, doesn't want c1 by c2. Please keep this in mind. So we can conclude. Let us rub this one. Okay, it's not important. Okay. So we can conclude that they are consistent. क्योंकि consistent. They are consistent because they are intersecting lines. Intersecting lines points one point, and it is been an equation. It's a unique equation. We call it as a unique equation. This will be the answer for the third question and the first sub question. Please be assuring that this will be the answer. Let us move on for the second sub question of this question. So this will be the second sub question of the third main question. Let us answer this in a very easiest way. So the question will be 2x minus 3y is equal to 8, 4x minus 6y is equal to 9. Let us answer this easily. The solution will be like this. Okay. So here a1 by a2 is equal to 2x by 4x, and b1 by b2 is equal to minus 3y by minus 6y. c1 by c2 is equal to 8 by 9. So x cancel, 2 1s are 2 2s are. Y cancel, 3 1s are 3 2s are. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and not equal to c1 by c2. Is this a case of parallel lines? Yes, you are getting this. This is a case of parallel lines. Here we can conclude that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. This will be the conclusion. So we can conclude here they have parallel lines. They have what? Parallel lines. Parallel lines are inconsistent. I have told in the earlier. So they are inconsistent. This will be the conclusion and the answer of the second sub question of the third main question. Please be assured that this will be the answer. Please take a look at once. So let us move on for the third sub question. So this will be the third sub question of third main question. Let us answer this very easily. So this is a quite tricky question, but it's an easy question. 3 by 2 x plus 5 by 3 y is equal to 7. This is the first equation, and then y is equal to 40. This is the second equation. Let us answer in the easiest way. 3 by 2, a1 by, I will not writing here a1 by a2 is equal to, it's an big step, it's not a time consuming here. 3 by 2 into 9, can we write into 9? Because I will be assuring this side, 3 by 2 divided by 9 by 1, what it will become? 1 by 9 will be transferred in that side, and 3 into 1 by 9. It will be 3 by 2 into 9. Do you get it? You should be getting that. Okay. So this will be the A1 by B2. Reserve that part. Reserve that part. A1 by B2. Comma. So 5 by 3, 5 by 3, 5 by 3 into minus 10, minus 10. We should be writing every symbol. It's every symbol. Very, very important. So C1 by C2 is 7 by 7 by 7 by 40. So let us cancel this part. 2 lines. 3 ones are 3 threes are. It will be 1 by 3 twos are 6, comma 5 by 5 ones are 5 twos are 1 by minus 6 or minus 1 by 6, comma 1 by 2. We can conclude here that it's not equal to this because symbol varies, symbol varies, symbol varies. Please be assuring that symbol varies, symbol varies. Symbol will be different. So here we can conclude that A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So we can conclude that they are consistent. They are consistent. They are what? Consistent. This will be the solution. Okay. So the lines are intersecting lines. So this one is a inconsistent part. So let us move on. So please be assured that this will be the solution. Please look at it once. Yeah. So let us move on for the fourth sub question of this main question. So this will be the fourth sub question of the third main question. Let us move on for this question. So the question will be like this: 5x minus 3y is equal to 11, minus 2x plus 6y is equal to minus 22. This is the easiest equation. Solution will be like this. So 5x divided by minus x, I will be answering directly because it's not a time consuming way. Minus 3y divided by 6y. 11 by minus 22. Okay. X cancel. 5 ones are 5 twos are. 3 ones are 3 twos are. We will cancel. So 11 ones are 11 twos are. So here we can conclude that all are minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. So we can conclude that A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Okay. So therefore they are consistent. क्योंकि ये है coincident lines. The lines are overlap each other. If the line right here, it will be overlapping on that itself. So they point same. They are pointing on. Listen. Yeah. So the solution will be they are consistent. So this will be the solution of the fourth sub question. Please be assuring that this will be the solution. Please look at once. So let us move on for the fifth and last sub question of this main question. So let us move on for the fifth sub question of this main question. So the question will be like this: 4 by 3x plus 2y is equal to 8 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. Okay. So here the chalk is slipping. Okay. Solution will be like this. 4 by 3 into 2. Can we write like this? Because I have done the last question also. Because 4 by 3 divided by 2 by 1 will be 1 will be transferred in that side and 2 will be this side. 4 into 1 divided by 3 into 2. It is like a 4 into 1 divided by 3 into 2. So 4 by 3 into 2. And we have that. We should because no space. Okay. So this will be the first and 2 by 3. 2y by 3 by 2y by 0, comma 8 by 12. 8 by. Let us cancel out. 2 ones are 2 twos are. It will be 2 by 3. It will be also 2 by 3. Okay. 4 twos are 4 threes are. It will be also 2 by 3. Here we can conclude that A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So we can conclude that they are consistent. They are what? Consistent. Because the lines are overlapping. Likewise in the last question, the lines are overlapping each other. If overlap, the points should be pointed. If one point also pointed, they are considered consistent. Please be assuring this in your mind. So this will be the solution of the fifth sub question and the last sub question of the third main question. Please be assuring that this is the solution. Please look at once. So let us move on for the fifth question because fourth question is a geographical part or it's a graphical part. So we can not do in this board. So only theoretical part we can do. So let us move on for the fifth question of this exercise 3.2. So this will be the fifth and the last question of the theoretical part of the exercise 3.2. Let us answer this in an easier way. Of the perimeter, they are given of the perimeter Please keep that in mind. Of the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter, more than its width, width means here width itself, more than its width. It is 36 meter. Find the dimensions of the garden. This much they have given in the main question. Let us answer this in an easier and a simplest way. Okay, we doesn't know. If we doesn't know length, can we take length as x? We doesn't know breadth or width. Can we take breadth or width as y? You can take that. Okay. The next is we should do the equations now. Equation. Okay. Of the perimeter. They are given of the perimeter. Of perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. We all know that. 2 into L plus B. We all know that. But they are given of the perimeter. So according to the question, of into 2 into L plus B is equal to what? 36 they are given. Okay. 2 से 2 cancel हो जाएगा. L plus B into 1 it is L plus B is equal to 36. L plus B you can write it as x plus y is equal to 36. This will be the first equation. Let us do next page for the second equation and let us move for the next page. So this will be the continuation. We have got in the first equation x plus y is equal to 36. So in that question they have given length is, so we have to take textbook now because I have wrapped that. So they have given that whose length is 4 meter more than its width. We have taken length as x. Length has x. Can we take x is equal to y plus 4? Let us put textbook, that's it. Can we take x is equal to y plus 4 because length is 4 meter more than its width. They are given in the question. So transpose x this side because x plus y is there here. X minus y is equal to 4. This will be the second equation. So we have got two equations, but they are given find the dimensions of the rectangular part. We want dimensions. If we want dimension, we want x and y. How we can take x and y? It's the easiest step. We should do elimination method. In the next exercise, we are going to do elimination method, but here I have been directly including elimination method here. Can we write that easily? So first equation x plus y is equal to that. It's a very important part. Please look at this. Y से cancel हो जाएगा. X plus x 2x. 36 plus 4 40. X here 40 by 2 is 2 1s are 2 2s are. X is equal to 20. Meter. Let us put x in the equation of 1 or 2. Can we put x in the equation of 1? So x here, x plus y is equal to that. That's the first equation. We have got. Let us put that x in the equation 1. 20 plus y is equal to 36. Let's put 20 that side. 36 plus 20 will be 16. Y is equal to 16 meter. So the dimensions of the part is 20 meter and 16 meter. This will be the solution of the fifth question. Length is equal to what? 20 meter. Width or breadth is equal to 60 meter. This will be the. So look at this answer, and this will be the end of this. Exercise 3.2 and end of this video also. Please like, share, and subscribe this video for more videos like this. So let us end this here itself. Please like, share, and subscribe. I have been urging you, I have been requesting you. So let us end this. Thank you and all. Let us meet in the continuation part. That is 3.2. I have been doing playlist real numbers over. This is the linear equation. Okay, this is the third chapter. Let us end in 3 or 4 days. Okay. Let us see in the next video.